Green Tara is famous for her windy activity, sweeping to the rescue of sentient beings, with the force and speed of a hurricane. In Vajrayana Buddhism, female Buddhas represent wisdom. For this reason, she is described as the mother of all the Buddhas. Tara represents the unique and awesome intersection of activity and wisdom. Her role, as the activity aspect of all the Buddhas, is as vast as the universe. This is why her many activity roles include rescues, protection, healing, long life, auspiciousness, and countless other activities associated with karma. How can we bring the compassionate, loving activity of Tara into our lives?